Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my December, had to think about it, December Ipsy and Boxycharm here for you today. So Ipsy did send these to me as PR, so thank you so much to Ipsy for sending these my way. So I like to go ahead and open these up, try out most all the products inside. There's one thing I have not tried. I think it's just one. Yeah, and just quickly go through and give you first impressions, just some little like mini reviews on these products and an unboxing. So if you're new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do unboxings, new at the drugstore, reviews, favorites, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are talking about December, Ipsy, and Boxycharm. So let's get to it. Okay, so first off, my Ipsy bag. The bag in here is really cute. It's a little like satiny looking bow. Isn't that cute? That's just fun. That's cute. And I think I got everything back where I got it from. You know, I open these up to try out the stuff inside and then I'm like, was this in here or was this in here? So I think I got everything back where it originally was. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think there's 5 products in here. Okay, so first off, I got a sponge. This is by LYS Beauty, and this is the Confident Precision Makeup Sponge. So this is what it looks like. You can see that I used a little bit of it. I used a portion of it to kind of apply a little bit of my BB cream. I am more of a brush person. I use brushes way more than sponges, but this one does feel very nice. Like it's really soft and nice quality feeling. And the shape of it is kind of interesting and different. Like you can really get up next to your eyes to apply concealer, foundation, whatever. So I mean, this seems like a good one. So if you like sponges, this one seems very nice. The quality of it seems good. Then I also got the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. So it says serum and cream. Something about soothing. Yeah, I think soothing. Japanese indigo. I'm so farsighted. It's not even funny. Have been my whole life. I'm a farsighted person. This is what it looks like. So I used a little bit of this last night on this area of my face. I usually do that with skincare as I kind of like try it in a portion of my skin just to kind of see. No problems with it. It's very nice and hydrating. I need to put some of this on my hand right now because my hand is so dry. I need to put it on both hands because they are both very, very dry. It's just a nice, very hydrating, but not like thick feeling cream. It's a little bit more thin in consistency, but it has a really nice hydration to it. Felt nice on my skin, didn't have any issues with it. I like this. I will definitely keep using this. This is a good one. And then I got another skincare product. This is my Nip and Fab. And this is the Vitamin C, it's in a different color. So, Fix, Vitamin C Fix Eye Cream 10%. So I used this morning under my makeup. A little bit goes a long way with this. This is probably just a little mini, I would assume, maybe not. But anyway, this is what it looks like, the packaging. And a little bit goes a long way with this. I used a good amount of product at first and it was like, oh, I don't need that much. So that's nice. And it worked nicely with my makeup. I didn't have any issues applying my makeup. It seemed to hydrate well and work well with my makeup. I like using vitamin C eye creams in the morning for that kind of brightening, lightening, tightening. And this seemed to do a good job. So I like this. I'll keep using it for sure. Then I got an eye pencil. This is Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil, and this is in the color Stripped. So I have just a little bit of this in my waterline. I really do not do that hardly ever unless I'm reviewing something and just trying out a product. I really don't put stuff in my waterline hardly ever, but I have this in there now, just a tiny bit of it, and it's very pretty. It's just a nice like peachy shade. I like that it's a little bit like medium peach. It's not really light, you know what I mean? So it's not quite as stark as some peachy, like creamy sort of shades like this, and it glided on. It didn't tug on my eyes at all. So I like this. I mean, if I did this regularly, this is one that I would definitely reach for because this seems like a good one. Like I really like the tone of it and I like the formula. And then last thing I got in my little cute, adorable Ipsy bag is from Pixi. I love this. I love Pixi products. And I'm almost positive I've tried this before. And I pretty much like all their products that I've tried. This is the Pixi by Petra Lip Glow Tinted Lip Balm. And it says softer lips after each use. That's what I wanted to achieve with this lip conditioner. It's a little description on it, and this is in the shade Ruby. So, I mean, it looks like it would be, you know, a rich red, but it's very soft. It's more of a soft, balmy, with a little bit of a tint sort of a product. So there it is right there. It's definitely, you know, like a raspberry sort of a color, but it's not, it doesn't end up being this red, but I think it's really beautiful. Has a minty sort of a smell to it. And it feels nice and hydrating on the lips. I think it looks smooth on the lips. And I think it does have, you know, it says glow. I do think it has a little bit of like a something that catches the light that does have a glowy look on the lips, but not glittery, not shimmery, not metallic. Just a little bit of a something, a little bit of a glow. So I like this a lot. So in here, favorite products. Honestly, I really like everything in here. Like, maybe this is something I'll reach for the most, maybe, but I mean, I really like everything. Honestly, this is a good little bag. It's a good one. Okay, now on to my Boxycharm. I clearly changed my lip color to show you something that I got in here. I forgot about this in here. I would say this is probably the thing I'll reach for the least, just because I use brushes, but it is very nice quality. So anyway, there's the Ipsy bag. Let's get to Boxycharm. So the thing that I did not try in here yet is the Living Proof Scalp Care Dry Scalp Treatment. It says relieves dryness, itching, and irritation. And it says microbiome balancing treatment. I was reading about this and it looks like you just apply it to your scalp, like on damp hair, and then you leave it. Now do your own research, but that's what it sounds like to me. And it's supposed to be kind of very balancing to the scalp. I didn't use this because my scalp is very balanced right now, so I didn't feel like I wanted to, you know, change the microbiome in any way. It seems like the microbiome is happy right now. But this does seem like a good product. Like, just reading about it seems like a really good idea. And then the applicator on it seems like it would be really precise. So this is an interesting idea. Seems like it would be a good kind of product. Now, something I did try in here that I was not a fan of, this is by Well People Clean Beauty Powered by Plants. This is the Expressionist Pro Mascara, and this is in the Pro Black shade. So I do have this on, but I layered it with other mascaras because this just didn't work well for me. Cute packaging. I like the green. I do like the wand on it. You can get really good precise application with it, like really at the root of your lashes. But this just was not building volume or length for me personally. But I mean, it says that it is clean beauty. So I think it's just personal preference. Mascara is so personal preference. If you're looking for a clean beauty mascara and you're fine with that kind of lighter, softer, not as volumized and lengthened looking lashes. You know, some people don't want the like crazy long volumized lashes. They want something more subtle. So if that's what you're looking for, I think this gets the job done. You know what I mean? It's just personal preference that it's not what I'm personally looking for in a mascara. I like more volume, length, all that. Okay, then I got a skincare product. This is from Rodile, I think is how it's pronounced. The brand name, Vitamin C Papaya Enzyme Scrub. Hyaluronic acid exfoliating fruit enzymes, jojoba beads. So I used this last night, and where are the directions? I read the directions on the actual container. But it was like you put it on, let it sit for a little bit, and then you like rub it in. Anyway, I liked it. I think the packaging is really cute. I think it's cute that vitamin C is usually like yellowy orange or, you know, something around here like very citrusy color. I think that's fun. I'm trying to remember if it had a scent. It does have little exfoliating beads, but they weren't super aggressive, which I like. Like they're in there, but not over the top. You know what I mean? Yeah, it does have a scent. Kind of herbal, fresh. sort of. Anyway, yeah, but it had a nice kind of light exfoliating feeling, but then it didn't make my skin feel stripped or dry or anything like that. Just, you know, smooth. It made my skin feel smooth. So I do like this. Just skincare is one of those things you have to try it for a while to really know fully, but first impressions of this, I do like this. It seems nice. Okay, let's see. Let's talk about the lip color first because the next thing is my favorite thing in here, but I do really like this too. This is what I have on my lips right now. This is by LYS Beauty, and this is the Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. And I got the shade Desired. Here's the packaging. Here's the packaging. This is beautiful. Like, this packaging is gorgeous. I really like the shape of this. Like, you can get very precise application with this. I think this is gorgeous. Like the formula. I don't know that this is the most flattering color for me personally. I still think it's very pretty, and I really like it blotted. Like, I should blot it for you so you can see it, but I'll show you a swatch first. But it's this beautiful kind of deep brownie red. Really pretty. Swatched, it brings out a little bit more of the red. But this is such a nice, hydrating, I would say overall kind of a satin. It says matte, but it's definitely not that drier matte formula. It's more on the satiny side. It kind of sets down, but you can see it has a little bit of a sheen to it. But I think it's so nice and smooth looking on the lips. I think this is just gorgeous. Like, I love everything about this formula. It is really stunning. Let me blot it just a little bit for you so you can see. Like, it starts to get a little bit more, I would say a little bit more red maybe? I don't know, but I like it. There it is, a little bit blotted. It's pretty, and it wears well too. Like, I wore it through eating a snack, and it still had some good pigment left, and it wasn't getting all patchy and weird. It was just sort of fading away, which is what I love about matte lipsticks. Those are usually pretty low maintenance, and this one's a really good formula. This is so exciting. I got a Natasha Denona palette. This is Rose and Wood. Rose and Wood. So I do have this on my eyes right now, but I have a little bit of a matte shade in my crease just for blending. But then I have this one on kind of the middle of my lid, this more on the inner corners of my lid, like in that area, and I have this as my liner. This ended up, like, this has quite a bit of kind of gray blue. I mean, you can see, it does look that way, but it really came out when I used it as my liner. Let me show you swatches. I love Natasha Denona eyeshadows. I think they are beautiful, so luxurious, really, really nice. I mean, just gorgeous. So I usually like getting her smaller palettes. I always get so excited when they're in Ipsy and Boxycharm. Look at that. That is gorgeous. They are so light catching and beautiful and smooth looking. Gorgeous. I would maybe, like, me personally, I would maybe have liked if this was, I'm not going to get a ton of use out of that color. It's still a gorgeous color, but for me personally, maybe a little bit more of a darker chocolate brown, a little bit less kind of cool toned. I think I would wear that more, but even still, it's still absolutely gorgeous. Love it. So from this box, I would say my favorites, definitely the palette. Love this lip color. And then I would say this. Like, these are the products that I'll get the most use out of, but I am going to keep this on hand for, like, you know, if I ever feel like my scalp needs a little bit more hydration or balancing. This seems like a good product, so good box. Okay, so that wraps up this video, so hope you really enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful for you. Please hit a thumbs up if it was, and if you enjoyed it, let me know down below. If you subscribe to Ipsy, what are you excited to get, or what are you excited that you did get? Let me know that down below. If you want to sign up for Ipsy, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.